good afternoon, everybody. I just did my video of Crane Chase. That's why you see him in this robot mode. Oh, so here's Override in his sports car mode, and also this is one of the generations since of his purple Decepticon logo. I don't think you can see it very good. My camera's not the best, so off we go to the transformation. First, you pull that apart, and then you take it and undo it like that. So it's like that, so you only see half of the front wheel, like so, to the other. Then you pop out these legs, itty bitty little legs. You pop out these arms. And then you pop out the windshield like that. And then you pull out his head. It was very weird with those itty bitty legs and those huge arms and body. So there you have Override in his robot mode. Thank you for watching, and bye.